Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Have you heard about Wi-Fi 7? It's the next generation of wireless connection, launched earlier this year. But what exactly is different, and is it worth your business investing in it? Wi-Fi 7 brings lightning-fast speeds, more solid connections, and future-proofing to handle the demands of tomorrow's tech. While those are awesome benefits, it can be pricey to upgrade. The initial investment includes the expense of next-gen routers, which can range from hundreds up to thousands. And there may also be ongoing operational costs, especially if you're leasing routers from internet service providers. If you're not ready to dive into Wi-Fi 7 just yet, there are plenty of other ways to improve your business's existing connections. We're here to help with that. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.